Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the cosmos to explore the brightest thing in the universe, quasars. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a quasar? Picture a vast galaxy, a swirling kaleidoscope of stars, gas, and dust. At the heart of some of these galaxies, there's a supermassive black hole, millions to billions of times more massive than our sun. As matter spirals into these cosmic giants, it releases an astronomical amount of energy. This energy forms a quasar, an incredibly powerful beacon of light that outshines even the combined brilliance of thousands of galaxies. So, in essence, quasars are the cosmic lighthouses of the universe, casting their intense light across the cosmos. With their mind-boggling brightness and energy, quasars truly are a spectacle to behold. Quasars are like the cosmic lighthouses of the universe, emitting more light than thousands of galaxies combined. But how do quasars achieve such incredible brightness, you ask? Well, the story begins with a supermassive black hole, a cosmic beast millions to billions times more massive than our sun. These black holes are not just massive but also incredibly hungry, constantly devouring matter around them. As matter, like gas and dust, spirals towards the black hole, it doesn't just fall straight in. Instead, it forms a swirling disk around the black hole, much like water circling a drain. This is what we call an accretion disk. The gravitational pull of the black hole is so strong that it heats the accretion disk to mind-boggling temperatures, causing it to emit intense radiation. This radiation is so powerful that it can be seen across the universe, making quasars appear as incredibly bright celestial objects. But the story doesn't end there. You see, this radiation doesn't emit evenly in all directions. Instead, it shoots out in jets from the poles of the black hole. These jets are like cosmic fire hoses blasting out particles at nearly the speed of light. They can extend thousands of light years into space, carrying with them the energy equivalent of billions of suns. These jets are also the key to a quasar's incredible brightness. The energy they carry is so immense that a single quasar can outshine an entire galaxy. To put that into perspective, it's like comparing a lighthouse to a single candle. That's right, a quasar can emit as much light as 1,000 galaxies combined. So what makes the quasar so bright is a combination of a supermassive black hole's insatiable appetite and the physics of accretion disks. The black hole's gravitational pull and the intense heat of the accretion disk create the conditions for this cosmic light show, and it's these jets, these cosmic fire hoses, that make quasars some of the brightest objects in the universe. But just how bright are quasars, you may ask? Well, to put it into perspective, a single quasar emits as much energy in 1 second as our entire Milky Way galaxy does in a full year. That's right, these cosmic lighthouses outshine even the combined light of hundreds of galaxies. Quasars are a diverse bunch. They come in various shapes and sizes, each with its own unique characteristics. Some blaze with a brilliant blue-white light, while others glow with a reddish hue. This diversity makes them a fascinating subject of study for astronomers. By observing quasars, scientists can glean valuable insights into the early universe and the formation of galaxies. These celestial powerhouses serve as cosmic time capsules, their light carrying information from billions of years ago. In essence, studying quasars is akin to peering into the universe's past. Scientists study these cosmic powerhouses to unlock the mysteries of the early universe and the formation of galaxies. Quasars have captivated astronomers since their discovery in the 1960s. These celestial powerhouses are more than just a spectacle. They're a gateway into understanding our universe's past, present, and future. Today, state-of-the-art observatories and space telescopes like the Hubble and the Chandra X-ray Observatory tirelessly work to unravel their mysteries. These instruments capture the light and energy of quasars, painting a picture of the universe as it was billions of years ago. Quasars are like cosmic time capsules, each one a story waiting to be told, and there's still so much to learn. As you journey through your own exploration of the cosmos, remember that the universe is a vast and wonder-filled place, full of phenomena like quasars that challenge our understanding and inspire our curiosity. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Until next time, keep looking up.